everybody, this is Julius, and this is the part 2 of that big job that we just had. It's the last video that I just posted. That was part 1 of the job. This is the second part of the job that we got hired privately by the homeowner to do. And I say that because the first part of the job was actually, we got hired through a contracting company that was doing work for them, and we pretty much just cleaned up their mess. It wasn't anything crazy, pretty much just getting rid of some dust that was all over their pool deck and on the front sides of their house. So that's what we did for the contracting company. And then the homeowner himself actually hired us privately to come back 2 days later to do this part of the house, which is pretty much all the back sides of the house. And as you can see here, we had to do all the windowsills, get on the ladder and do all those ledges and windowsills up there on the second floor, which was definitely a little sketchy. It made the job a lot harder. But aside from that, the house wasn't really that dirty at all. It's pretty much just like loose dirt, spider webs, leaves, and all that stuff. Nothing like crazy algae or anything, but we still did soap a few sides of the house, as you can see here. But besides that, it was a pretty technical job because we had to move the ladder around, make sure it was sturdy, do all the ledges and all that stuff. But it really didn't take too long. It probably took us about like 3 hours, and it all came off very easily for the most part. And yeah, we charged them $750 for this part of the house, and I think it was $1,600 for the first part that we got to the contracting company. So overall, we made well over $2,000 on this, just on this one house, which is pretty much our biggest job. So yeah, it all turned out really well. The homeowner was really happy and all that, and for the most part, we were just hitting it with a little bit of pressure on this hard siding. So it wasn't anything too complicated. It was just a little sketchy going up on the ladder and doing all the ledges and all that. But we also had to hit the sidewalk at the back porch down there as well, and then we also hit the shower, the outdoor shower, which you're gonna see. It's a wooden shower, so I only got part of that on video where my brother was hitting with a little bit of pressure, but don't worry, we did end up going over it again we hit it with solution, and then some low pressure. We got off all the algae. So don't be giving me shit in the comments that the shower doesn't look good, because I just didn't get it all on video. If you enjoy videos like these, please subscribe, and there's gonna be a lot more videos that I'm gonna be talking about all this kind of stuff. So thanks for watching.